Hello everyone, this is Somag Reddy and you are watching EPC Electrophysics classes. And today I am going to discuss one of very interesting topic of class 7 science is chemical change and chemical equation. Okay, so in the previous class we have learned that substances can undergo different types of changes. We have also learned that these changes may be slow or fast, reversible or irreversible, and physical or chemical. So we have learned that in physical change the substance may undergo a change in its physical state like shape, size, color, but it does not change into another substance. Clear? So during a chemical change, a substance change into another substance. When suitable substances are mixed in appropriate amounts, they may undergo chemical interaction, means resulting in the formation of a new substance. For example, when iron comes in contact with moisture and air, so it gets rusted. Like copper articles get coated with a green substance when exposed to moist air. Similarly, burning of wood in air converts it into ash and carbon dioxide. The process in which a chemical change causes one substance to change into another is called chemical reaction. And substances which undergo a chemical change in reaction are called the reactants, whereas the new substances which are formed are called products. Clear? Now, let's talk about chemical equation. So we have learned about the chemical substances can be represented by appropriate symbols. A chemical reaction occurring between different substances can also be represented by using appropriate symbols and formulae. The presentation of chemical reaction using symbol and formula of substance involved in the reaction is called chemical equation. Clear? So when we write a chemical equation, we put the symbols of the reactant on the left hand side and those of the product on the right hand side. An arrow is put between as shown below. The physical state of the reactants and product is written in bracket along with their symbols. The letter S is used to denote solid state. Letter I is for what? Liquid, and letter G for gas, and the symbol AQ for an aqueous solution, means solution of a substance in water. For example, when carbon and oxygen reacts with each other, carbon dioxide as a product. This reaction is represented as chemical equation as follows. So carbon in solid form plus oxygen in gaseous form gives CO2 in gaseous form, means carbon dioxide. Clear? So this is all about chemical equation. So let's balance this chemical equation. So chemical equation should be balanced. A balanced chemical equation is that in which the number of atoms of each element are the same on the both sides of the equation. In order to balance the number of atoms of various elements on either side of the equation, the chemical formula of a substance is not changed. So instead, a suitable coefficient or number is written before the formula of the substance. For example, reaction between hydrogen and oxygen gives water. This is written as chemical equation as follows. H2 plus O2 gives H2O in gaseous form. Clear? Now, here the number of oxygen atom is not same on both sides of the equation. So to make their number same, the coefficient 2 is written with the formula of water on the right hand side of the equation. Clear? Now, we need to balance the number of hydrogen atoms. For this, the coefficient 2 is written with the formula of the hydrogen on the left hand side of the equation. We now get 2H2 plus O2, which gives 2H2O. Clear? So this is now the required balanced chemical equation for the reaction. Okay.